Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Harsha Education, and today we are going to talk about WWDC iOS 14. So as we all know, today was WWDC 2020 and we got iOS 14 today. So let's see what's new in iOS 14. So in today's announcement, we had multiple things in iOS 14, and these are the main things. We had app library, redesigned widget, picture in pictures, new Siri, new features and messages, new features in CarPlay and maps, and new feature for App Store, which is called App Clip. So let's dig deep into these things. We'll just go through each of these and see what all of these things do. So first of all, app library. App library is basically the way you can manage your apps. So let's say if you had a lot of apps in your mobile, previously you had to go and search through your home page for your apps, which was very tacky and very time consuming if you had like multiple apps. So now with the app library, as you can see, it's grouped, so you have suggestions or recently added apps grouped in one block, and then you have social, entertainment, and all those categories like arcade apps and creativity. All these apps are grouped, so you can select these. When you click on it, it will open all this one category, and you can select from that. So it's much easier to look for your apps rather than swiping through your home page and then looking for it, which was very time consuming. So that's app library with iOS 14. Then the next thing is widgets. So with widgets, we have new design for widgets. So you have multiple different designs. So you can make your weather app look bigger in widgets, and the other application widgets to be smaller. So whatever you need to see in big size, you can do that. So you can resize your widgets. So that's pretty cool. And then you can also delete and drag from your widget to your main screen. So you can just select from here, drag it to your main screen. So that is also available. So that's what is new in widgets. And then we have pictures and pictures. So pictures and pictures is like an overlay of video. So if you're playing any video, you can play it on top of your current screen. So you can do multiple multitasking at one go. You can watch your video as well as you can open some another application. Like over here, you can see we have notes. You can read your notes, and then you can watch your video as well. You can resize your video, or you can minimize your video and just listen to the audio. So that's a pretty good feature, I feel like. So that's good. Now with Siri, previously with Siri, we had like whenever we called up Siri, it was taking up the whole screen. So with the new design, it won't take up the whole screen. You will have your screen available, and then Siri will look like this, and you can talk to Siri and you can ask for Siri for anything, and it will pop up over here itself with the options. So you won't be having Siri blocking your whole screen. So that's pretty cool. Then with messages, there are multiple new features, like you can pin your favorite person who you want to see on top, or who you want to receive from whom you are receiving messages frequently. So you can pin those person. You have new emojis. So these are the three emojis which Apple added this year in messages. And then we have mention. So you can mention a person while doing a conversation, and then that particular whenever that particular message from that particular person whom you mentioned messages, then you will get notified as well. So not for everyone else in the group. And also in-line reply is also there. So you can reply to a person over there in line, and then it will create a new conversation itself in that line itself. So we have pin conversation, new emojis, inline reply, and mentions for messages. And then for maps, there are multiple other features, like they have best guides for in the city, like where you want to eat and everything. So that is improved. But the most important feature which they have included is cycling. So you will have an option for cycling, and you can get direction and everything. So like other, like driving or walking, you will have an option for cycling as well in the new map. Also, you'll have EV routing. So if you want, if you have an electric car and you want to charge your cars, then it will tell you where are all the charging stations, and you can go and charge your car over there. So you'll have EV routing as well in the new maps. Then we have CarPlay. So for CarPlay, we have new wallpaper option. Also, we have some more CarPlay options like new parking and EV charging and pick food. So these three are the new options. These were already available. So this is what Apple added: the parking option, EV charging, and pick food option, something restaurant related to that. And you can set your wallpaper as well. Also with CarPlay, you can have digital car key. So it's currently working for BMW, but they will come up with more car as well. So you can basically unlock your car without your car keys. You don't need to carry your car keys. You can just unlock your car with your phone, and also you can transfer your digital key to anybody you want to using their application, and that person will be able to unlock your car as well. So that's pretty cool. And then with App Store, we have App Clip. So with App Clip, this is a new way to access any application available in App Store. So what they have defined on Apple is an App Clip is a small part of an app experience designed to be discovered the moment it is needed. So maybe you don't need whether if you need that application or not, and if that application is not available in your device. So if you need it, all you have to do, the way how you easily access your that application is by using Apple app clip code, or through NFC tag or QR code, or shared on messages or Safari. You know, so basically, if you want to access any application which is not available in your phone, so you can access that application using AppClip, which is a code. AppClip is basically a code through which you can access your applications in App Store. So it's basically easy access to all the applications in App Store. So that's pretty much it. That's what's new. That's the main things which are new with iOS 14 in which was announced in WWDC 2020. We have App Library for organizing our app. We have redesigned widgets. We have picture-in-picture for overlay videos. We have Siri, which is not covering the whole screen. We have messages with a lot of more features. We have maps with cycling. We have CarPlay with digital car key, and some new wallpapers. And then we have App Clip for easy access to your applications. So that was it. That was all the new things which is available with iOS 14. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.